Welcome back to For Real. Today we are going to have a walk through Prey Thom village and show you what village life is like. It's a Saturday morning at about 10 o'clock. The road into the village is very shady and beautiful. There's a lot to see. I'll leave a map so you can see where this village is in relation to the main part of Siem Reap town. The road to get here is mostly sealed. There's a small stretch of maybe, 400 metres that's not. But yeah, the rest of it is really good now. There's a car coming through. Okay, so you're going to get people making baskets here, which is lovely to see. Those ones are huge. Get a mix of kind of more traditional houses and more modern houses as well. And a lot of people at home just going on with their daily lives, doing stuff. See what there is to see. There's a little shop just here on the right. You can pick up a few things that you need. It's very pretty, this village. It's a different Sangkat out here too. I think we are in Sra Ngae, I think it's pronounced. Hello! Yes, Sra Ngae commune. So not one of the four that you'd live in if you lived in town. So let's see. Got lots of, chickens and roosters and things going on. Little houses like this one. Bigger houses like that one. That's a huge house. Traditional ones like that. People doing all sorts of things. And the road into this village is nice and curvy, so every time you kind of go around a different section of the road, there's something new to see. But beautiful day, magical weather. I just couldn't wait to get out here and show you a bit of this village life. So this area has more of a centre to it than the video that I did a few weeks back. Definitely kind of in the countryside, but a village in the countryside. There's CPP office here. One of these houses with the beautiful veranda and huge awning. There's baskets here. Look at this. Handmade, but they're all so uniform in size and shape. Fantastic. So we are about 8 kilometres from the centre of Siem Reap town, just to give you a bit of a sense. In the same direction as the airport, but further south, so south of Road 6. Yeah, and very manageable due to the improvement in the roads lately. People just making use of the advertising here to close in their houses a bit. A couple of dogs. Are you friendly? Yeah. Well, that's the thing. I don't need them to be friendly, I just need them to be not aggressive. Loads of mango trees coming into flower at the moment. Going to be a big crop this year, I think. So here we've got the local health centre for the Sangkat. Gum tree there. Eucalyptus. It's always strange to see them in Cambodia, but there you go. A little touch of home. And here is the Sangkat office. Let's have a look at that. There we go. You can go in there and get your, I don't know, official documents and stuff done. Get a coffee while you're waiting, because it could take a while. There we go, yes. Sra Ngae commune. There's another CPP. And heavy on the CPP down here. I know. Wow, that house is tall. That must be getting on for 4 meters above the ground. Huge. But it makes sense. Really good airflow if you have it that high. And people do most of their living on the ground level, so they sleep upstairs, come down in the morning, and pretty much don't go back upstairs until they go back to bed that night. So it does make a lot of sense to have really good airflow downstairs. Here we go. Little shops and things here. Stalls, I should say, not shops. And some sausages cooking. Wow, it's all happening this morning. Is this day? Is a mechanic? Maybe. That lady thought that my presence here was quite funny. It's good. I don't know where that goes. Google Maps is not always your friend in places like this. It shows tiny dirt tracks as the same kind of, standard of road as one that's paved. Another CPP. What is going on here? Wow, look at that one. Fantastic building. Fruit stall. That's some shells here. Oh. Oh, this is a bit of a bigger shop. Okay. Hello. Look at that place. They've got some vegetable seeds for sale. Oh wow. This would be the local recycling joint. Have a go at that. Water bottles. And cans. Separated. Guess they're doing their thing there. A lot of sand on the road. That's the size of that. Huge. Massive house. Wow, this is just so peaceful and beautiful.